Hello YouTube, coming here today from my house, and today on my vlog I'm going to replace the cabin filter on my 2005 Camaro Corvette. I used to have a Camaro, but now it's a Corvette. So let's get started. Went to AutoZone and bought this filter, the CAF 1793, and that's what I'm going to replace it with. Standard air filter, nothing fancy about it, no Febreze or anything that would give it a good odor or anything. So let's start by popping the hood. Hey Bunny Rabbit. How you doing, Bunny Rabbit? Don't let Nards and Phoebe see you. Alright, so the filter is located right behind the battery. So it's in this little area right here. And it's got this tab right here that just pull down. And another one on this side. And I believe you just pull it out. Or pull it up, and then this comes off, which is the cover for it. And then the filter just comes right out. And as you can see, it's not too bad. It's just got a couple of debris, but as you can see, it's really black. So it's time for a new one. I haven't changed it at all since I bought this car back in 2018. So now we're gonna put the new filter in. What I do is just see what directions the lettering is this time, just in case it doesn't have lettering. So it's just gonna go right in. Back in. So there it is. Now put the cover back. Put the tabs back down. And there you go. And that's how you change the cabin air filter in 2005 Chevy Corvette.